How can active recall make your senior year notes more effective? Imagine walking into your final exams feeling confident because your notes are not just pages of scribbles but powerful tools that help you recall information instantly. That's what active recall can do for your note-taking. Instead of just rereading your notes over and over, active recall pushes you to test yourself and retrieve information from memory. This process makes your brain work harder, which actually strengthens the neural connections related to that knowledge. When you do this regularly, it helps move what you learn from short-term memory into long-term memory, making it easier to remember during exams. During senior year, you juggle many subjects and deadlines. Using active recall in your note-taking helps you identify what you really know and what you need to review more. When you try to recall facts without looking at your notes, you quickly see which topics are clear and which ones need more work. This saves you time because you focus only on the areas that need improvement. For example, after a class, close your notebook and try to write down or say out loud what you remember. If you get stuck, check your notes and then try again later. This way, your study sessions become more productive. Another benefit is that active recall makes your notes more useful. Instead of copying everything from the textbook or teacher, you can create questions based on the material. For instance, if you're studying biology, write questions like what is photosynthesis? Or how does the water cycle work? On your notes or flashcards. When you quiz yourself later, these questions turn your notes into a mini-test, making review sessions more engaging. This method also prepares you better for exams because you practice retrieving answers quickly, just like you will during the test. Using flashcards is a popular way to practice active recall. Write a question on one side and the answer on the other. Test yourself regularly, and if you find certain questions difficult, spend more time reviewing those topics. Spaced repetition, which means revisiting difficult questions over days or weeks, helps reinforce your memory even more. This is especially helpful in senior year when you need to remember a lot of information for final exams. Active recall also builds your confidence. When you practice retrieving information often, you get better at it. This means during exams, you can recall facts faster and more accurately. Feeling prepared reduces anxiety and helps you stay calm under pressure. Plus, it makes studying less boring because you're actively involved rather than passively reading notes. In short, active recall transforms your note-taking from simple recording to a dynamic learning process. It helps you remember more, understand better, and feel ready for your exams. Whether you're creating questions, using flashcards, or testing yourself after class, this technique makes your notes a powerful tool for mastering your senior year studies.